Pillo Rider, fa caldo? Fa molto caldo? Dai, no, non tanto.
Team manager that said they've got a little surprise for Qatar as well. So I took from that it's visible, and I would say it's a new aero package that I've heard whispers of. But really, I think Ducati are already leading, so you know what I'm saying, leading the fight. So they're going well already. They've pretty much got the same bike as November so far. Got 2 days to go. Really near us watching, and it honestly put hairs on my arms standing up watching them battling away. The first, they did 20 lap run, and the first 10 Dovi led, and then the idea was the second 10 Petrucci led. And I spoke to Paolo Ciabatti after that run, and he said they were really happy on the very last lap with Petrucci in front. He managed to 2 flat 0.4, which is really fast after 20 laps with close to 50 degree track temperature. So I think they've got to be happy.